This video tutorial I will explain how to create the user and assign multiple roles to the particular user for a single database in MongoDB. Using create user method, we can create the user and assign multiple roles. db.createUser, username is Peter, password is password, and role is user admin and read write. So there are two roles are assigned to the user Peter and DB parameter is bookDB. User Peter has user admin role, so he has administrative privileges in book database, and user Peter has also has read write role, so he has read write permission to book database. Next we will see how to create the user. Start the MongoDB server without authentication. Connect the Mongo client. Switch to bookDB. db.getUsers, and when you execute this command, I can see there are no users are there in the book database. Next we will create the user with multiple roles. Now I am creating the user. The username is Peter and password is password, and assigning two roles, user admin and read write. And the user is successfully added. Username is Peter and roles are assigned as user admin and read write. Using db.getUsers, we can confirm, and here you can see. Close this window, shut down. Next we will start the MongoDB server with authentication enabled. And here you can see authorization enabled. Next connect the Mongo client. Switch to bookDB. Executing the command db.getUsers. Because authentication is enabled, and we got error saying there are no users authenticated. So before executing any command, first we have to authenticate. We will see how to do that. db.auth, username is Peter and password is password, and successfully authenticated. Now execute this db.getUsers command, and this time we got the output. Here I have opened Studio 3T for MongoDB. Click on connect. Click on new connection. Connection name we can give us localhost. And in MongoDB server, authentication is enabled. Select this. Select authentication mode as legacy. Username is Peter. Password is password. Authentication DB is bookDB. Click on test connection, and it is successfully connected. Suppose if we give wrong password, we will get error like this. Click on save, connect, and the user Peter has admin privileges as well as read-write permission. So he can see the collection, and if the user Peter wants to edit, he can edit any document. Select the document, click on edit document, edit the values, click on update. And also the user Peter can view the document. The user Peter has admin privileges, so he can add another user, or delete another user, or modify another user, or remove all the users. You can get Java source code link from the description of the video. In mobile, to see the description, click on this icon. It will expand like this, and here you can see the description. It contains Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.